Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income. You get paid 80% of every sale that you bring in, guys. Fantastic deal. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. So first and foremost, we're going to check our results here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but I'm going to refresh the page. I'll refresh it in front of you guys so you guys know these are real numbers. These are real results. This is money that is going into my bank account. All right. Right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, not a big deal. Don't worry about that there. No problem. So the first thing we're gonna do is get you your affiliate links, guys. I'm gonna show you my link real quick since we're on the page. This is the link that I like to use, but you can use any link that you want. I use this link in particular. I just like the page and stuff like that, and it promotes all the products. Anyway, the first thing you need to go do is go to the description there. You're gonna see step 1, step 2. Step 1 gonna be a link that says something like incomespeech.com. You click on that, it's gonna take you to this page right here. Now this page is the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, how much money you make, blah blah blah, right? And essentially it's a funnel builder. The most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 every month. This is $25 a month. I moved from ClickFunnels to here. The reason they can charge that premium though is because they were the first, or one of the first. They got real popular and a lot of people use them, and a lot of people have used them for their business, and they don't really want to change anything. They'll rather pay the extra money. But I moved over as soon as I could, save $75 at least. But I actually saved a lot more money than that because the unlock ClickFunnels everything, you need to pay way more than $100. So anyway, guys, if I were you guys, I'd move over as soon as I could and figure things out from there. But yes, I want, like, you also get paid $20 to $100 monthly commissions. That's $120 per customer, guys. Fantastic. Also give to charity if you're interested in that. So anyway, guys, once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, I'm interested, you can read all over this. It's a lot of information, and then you just click yes, I want in, right? So yes, I want in, you put in your basic information there, blah blah blah, whatever you want, and you get the product $25, right? Now one thing I want to mention, if you use my link, you can get HBA Premium for free for 2 weeks, guys. And what this is essentially is basically teaching you how to promote this product in different ways, say on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it may be you want to post it on, right? Shows you how to post it it shows you how to promote it really well. It also has an AI content creation machine to help you come up with ideas and stuff like that. And it's constantly updated information because rules change on websites, so you have to change the way you promote it, stuff like that. And one more thing, guys, do not buy a course if it doesn't update, because rules change. If you buy for example, if you buy a TikTok course last year, you bought a TikTok course last year, it's probably useless now if they don't keep updating it. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. You sign in, get your instant access, blah blah blah. You go through the stuff to sign in. There's videos about everything. Get your links. All right. So now what? So what I'm gonna show you is the absolute easiest way to promote this product I ever found. It's just so easy and so simplified that I could not find anything easier than this that works. All right. I couldn't find anything easier than this that works, that gets you sales. All right. So what you want to do is go to my second link there. It's going to take you to My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, guys. So we're going to log into this. And what My Lead Gen Secrets is, you get 100 leads a day. You email once a day. All right. They cold leads, but you just keep emailing them. It's a numbers game. You know what I mean? So the more leads you have, the more chance you get sales. Blah blah blah. You keep going. Right. and eventually you'll make some money. You'll get some. All right, so we're gonna click on select all our leads here, and we're just gonna pick our next email here. Look for email. I like this email here. This one's gotten me a lot of sales in the past, so I'm gonna try this one real quick. Pretty short email, but it's gotten me sales, so I'm gonna use it. So we're gonna hit perfect timing here. All right, guys, and we also gonna, what that does is send an email around the time that people check email, so it's a better chance of them checking it, basically. And we're gonna hit preview. Now two reasons we hit preview. One is to check and see if our link works. Our link does work, guys. And second, if you want to copy this email, you can. Now, I didn't use ChatGPT to write this email. I personally wrote this email myself, guys. Personally wrote this email myself because all I really did was use the sales page. I just used this page to make it real quick, make an email real quick. This one has gotten me some sales. So I know it's gotten me some sales a couple of times. So I'm just gonna post it right now. You can even post it multiple times if you want to. It doesn't matter. You get sales, you might not get sales. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to use this as a foundation, all right? So anyway, guys, you can copy that. We're gonna hit preview. Oh, I already did that. I'm sorry, I'm losing my mind. I'm kind of getting jumbled here. Let me get back on point. All right, so we're gonna send the email, and we are done, guys. Solid takes, very simple, very easy, very quick. You know what I mean? Now, this is the easy way to make money online, guys, but the most consistent way and the most profitable way to make money online right now, I say, is to create shorts and to post on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Those are the 3 sites you want to focus on. You focus on those 3 sites, I say you post shorts, 7 to 15 second shorts, maybe about 2 or 3 of them every day. The more the better. 2 to 3 of them every day, at least once per day. Be consistent. That's one major thing about this. Be consistent. Don't worry about how good it is, how good your editing is, stuff like that. Just keep posting, guys. Eventually, something's gonna go viral. You never have to worry about money again. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.